Let's break that riff down. Starting with a 3 draw, I'm doing what I think of as a kwah, but it's on the end. Kwah. That gives us that little scoop on the 3 draw. After I do that kwah, I'm slapping to the 4 draw. So I'm doing that kwah with a pucker, and then I'm slapping, I'm tongue blocking on that 4 draw. Then I'm immediately slapping over to the 6 blow. After I slap on that 6 blow, then I slap on the 5 draw, and I do a flutter. So I'm really just slapping on that 5 draw and taking my tongue off and on, which is a really cool sound. It's one of my favorite sounds on a harmonica. You can really only get that sound by tongue blocking. I really think using both embouchures is very advantageous. After I do the lick, I just did a slight little kind of chugging thing just to help keep the timing going. But really, to me, the lesson is about getting that lick down. I love how it ends on that flat 7, that 5 draw. That's a really cool way to end a song like that. It has that kind of accordion kind of sound, which is a great sound you can get with the harmonica. To keep the timing going, I'm really just hitting the 2 draw twice, and I'm staccatoing that second one. And then I'm doing a blowout, kind of on the 1, 2, 3, and I'm thinking hot tub. I'm kind of doing kind of these hard T's, and they're just kind of barely on the harmonica. See you next Monday.